Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, your go-to source for all things electric vehicles and clean energy. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're talking about a developing story that could have a significant impact on the adoption of electric vehicles in Missouri. It's no secret that the electric vehicle industry is growing rapidly, with over 13,000 all-electric vehicles currently registered in the Show Me state. But now, federal budget cuts are threatening to undermine those gains. The proposed elimination of key tax credits could slow down the growth rate of EV sales, and it's a concern that's being felt by industry experts and advocates alike. The U.S. House Speaker has proposed eliminating a $7,500 federal tax credit for new electric vehicles, as well as a $4,000 credit for used EVs. That may not seem like a lot, but for some buyers, those credits can be the difference between purchasing an electric vehicle and sticking with their gas guzzler. And now, with the possibility of those credits being repealed by the end of the year, industry analysts are warning that Tesla, the country's leading EV manufacturer, could be significantly affected. At ElectroDrive News, we've been following this story closely, and our research suggests that without these tax credits, annual growth in EV sales could dip to around 8% or 9%. That's a significant slowdown, especially considering the industry was already experiencing rapid growth. But here's the thing. Experts say it's not going to be a death knell for electric vehicles. It might slow down the adoption rate, but it won't reverse the trend. In fact, some industry observers believe that discussions about ending the program could motivate some buyers to purchase EVs sooner. And if that happens, it could actually boost sales in the long run. So, what's at stake here? For one thing, Missouri is home to several major automotive manufacturers, including Ford and General Motors, which are both investing heavily in electric vehicle production. Those investments create jobs, stimulate local economies, and help drive down production costs. But if the tax credits disappear, those investments could be put in jeopardy. And that's where things get interesting. According to John Hyam, a board member of the Electric Vehicle Association, repealing the credits may have political consequences. That economic engine that is in those red districts, he said, where there's new battery manufacturing put in, new automotive manufacturing put in, those are the voters that are going to feel it the most. It's a reminder that electric vehicles aren't just about environmental benefits, they're also about jobs and local economies. And as we move forward, it's essential that policymakers prioritize these issues. So, what's next? Well, there is some good news. A separate U.S. House bill seeks to extend the existing tax credits through the end of 2025. That could be a lifeline for the industry, and at ElectroDrive News, we'll continue to follow this story closely. We'll bring you updates as more information becomes available, and we'll keep exploring the implications of these proposed budget cuts on the electric vehicle market. Thanks for watching ElectroDrive News. We'll be back with more news on clean energy and electric vehicles soon.